Hey everyone, it's Becca. Welcome back to my channel. I'm loving this turtleneck on me today. I used some of the, Moroccan oil color depositing masks. I went a little too orange, as you can see here, but I actually think the underneath looks pretty nice. So that was fun. I hope everyone had a great holiday. I'll probably film what I got for Christmas in my birthday video. Let me know if you want to see that. But I will be going over what I bought at Ulta in 2022. I did place a few more Sephora orders if you saw that video. It was a little preemptive. But yes, this will be what I got at Ulta. So let me just pull it up here. So my first order was January 7th, 2022. That's pretty early. I got the Bobbi Brown. Oh, so this must have been one of their 21 Days of Beauty. I got the Bobbi Brown Vitamin Rich Eye Base Primer and Moisturizer. I thought this was the face one because I'd misplaced mine. So that was on sale for half off for $28. I actually love this stuff. I use it every day. It's a great primer for the under eyes, not, you know, the lids. It's so great. I also got the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Edit Universe. Is this the Universe? No. Yes, Lighting Edit Universe. So this one, which I just used recently, for full price, $80. I didn't buy it this year. We'll see if I do. That, I like it. I like those. I just don't love face palettes though. That's my thing. Next, I got the Revlon Color Stay Lip Liner in Mauve. Oh, because Emily Noel had raved about it. I don't use lip liners that often, so honestly, I don't think I've used this. I got the Maybelline Lash Discovery Mascara in Very Black. I'm actually wearing the waterproof one on my bottom lashes today. Oh, and my battery is gonna die. Great. I also got the Olaplex No. 5 Balm Maintenance Conditioner and Shampoo for $28 each. So I did have a $3.50 off, so that, and I used $125 reward, so my total was $57.89. Next, just quickly after that, January 13th, because I think it was another 21 Days of Beauty, potentially. Yes, I think so. So I got the Jaclyn Cosmetics Skin Blurring Priming Tint in Fair for $34. I don't love this stuff. I got the Orly Kick Glass Top Effect for $9.50 and the L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil for half off at $12.50 for a total of $59.50. I do love that L'Occitane Almond Shower Oil. I believe I had it in my empties, so I did use that. And I've used the top coat like once, but I prefer the Holo Talca ones, to be honest. Next, let's see, on February 18th, not doing so well on Ulta. You can see when I wasn't shopping at Sephora, I was shopping at Ulta. I got the Physicians Formula Organic Wear Lip Treatment. I wonder why. Someone must have talked about it. The Lano, or maybe, yeah, I think someone talked about it. The Lano Peach 101 Ointment Multi-Balm. I'm using the coconut one now, and I really do like that. I got the Tinted Lip Balm by Lano for $13.50. The Juvia's Place Olari 2 Eyeshadow Palette for $15. The Maybelline Superstay Ink Crayon Lipstick in Accept a Dare. I do like these. I got the Milani Fruit Fetish Lip Balm in Strawberry Lemonade and Mango Coconut. Those are nice, but I don't use them that much. The Kopari Beauty Paradise Pout Lip Kit for $30. The Kopari Coconut Lip Glossy in Birthday Suit. The e.l.f. Cosmetics Ride or Die Lip Balm in Tough Cookie. Yes, I think I had watched Leora's Lip Balm Declutter collection. I got the Milani Weekend Brow Pen in Soft Brown. I need to pull that out again. The Milani Color Statement Lipstick in Teddy Bear. I do love those. The It's a 10 Miracle Leave-In product, which I do like and use. The Wet n Wild Cloud Pout Marshmallow Lip Mousse in I'm on Cloud Wine and Marsh to My Mallow. I actually don't love those as much as I was hoping I would. Got the Revlon Color Stay Matte Light Crayon in Lift Off. That is a bright pink. The Milani Color Fetish Matte, the Flora Collection in Blossom. The CoverGirl Cheekers Blendable Powder Blush in Classic Pink 110. And the Maybelline Fit Me Tinted Moisturizer. I need to bring that out for $10.99. I did use a $10 off coupon, so that was $213.44. Next, on March 22nd, I'm averaging one a month. I got the Bare Minerals Mineralist Hydra Smoothing Lipstick for half off in Awareness and Charisma, both $10. Those are nice, but I need to use them more. And then the Kitsch Leopard Microfiber Towel Scrunchies for $14, which I do like. But honestly, I don't put my hair up too much when it's wet, but when I do, I use those. I don't know how well they really work, but that was for $36.13. Next, I skipped April, so that's good. In May 7th, I got the ColourPop Glossy Lip Stain in Berry Ripe. I do like that. I need to use that more. The Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream 8-in-1 Skin Perfector in Light. I don't remember using that. I'm sure I did once. ColourPop Glowing Lip in La Cienega, which I like. Soap & Glory All the Right Smooths In Shower Moisturizer on sale for $8. The Undone Beauty Papa Gloss in Barely Pink. I don't know, nothing special. And the Juvia's Place Rebel Quadrant Army. I don't know if I've used that yet. I used a $15 coupon for $41.43. Next, just a few days later, May 12th, I got the Extra Dimension Skin Finish in Double Gleam for $38. I got the Wet Brush Pro Shine Enhancer Brush for $7.99, which I have here. I do like, but I recently got another one that I think I like a little more, but that's great to disperse a dry shampoo or just to brush your hair normally. And then I got the Sun Bum Anti-Frizz Oil Mist, which I've actually been using pre-washing my hair, which I actually like it for that, but I'm sure it would just be good as a styling product as well. And that was for $64.79 with tax. Next, yes, this was clearly another 21 Days of Beauty. I got the L'Oreal Brilliant Shine Signature Shiny Lip Stain and Be Uncontrollable. I need to try that again. For $6, it was buy one, get one 50% off. I got the NYX Professional Makeup Bare With Me Hydrating Face and Body Concealer Serum in Light. I do like that for $11. The L'Oreal Rouge Signature Lightweight Matte Lip Stain in Eye Create. I also need to bring that out again. I got a free L'Oreal tote bag with a $20 purchase. I got the L'Oreal Infallible 24-Hour Fresh Wear Foundation in a powder in 5 Pearl. Ooh, I should bring that out again. Here it is. Let me bring that out and remember to use it. I got another one of my Cosrx Hydrogen watery toners, which I love, for $22. I love these. The Maybelline Superstay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lip Color in Koi and Cheeky, both for $11.99. I'm wearing this today. The NYX Professional Makeup Thickening Brow Gel Mascara in Cool Blonde with my pencil. And then I love these, the Kitsch Satin Pillowcases in Butterfly and Leopard on sale for $9.50 each, as well as the Lash Discovery Waterproof Mascara from Maybelline in Very Black, which, like I said, I am wearing on my bottom lashes today. So this one was a hit, and I have used a lot of these products. Just that L'Oreal I need to try. I used a $10 coupon for $127.98. It's like every time I use a coupon, which is great. Next, for June 27th, this was for my mom, purchased for my mom. This was the Retinol Youth Renewal Serum for $92, the Eye Serum for $89, and the Essential C Day Moisturizer Broad Spectrum for $68. I guess she just must have needed them. They weren't on sale. That was for a total of $262.70. I don't believe this shows in-store purchases either, though I don't know if I made one in 2022. Next, on July 11th, so pretty good for my spending at least, there's a little break there. I got the Ofra Cosmetics Ofra X Samantha March Life's Draft Mini Mix Palette for $39. I think I still have to try that. Yikes. I got the REM Beauty Interstellar, or the REM Beauty Interstellar Highlighter Topper in Miss Mercury, a warm champagne, which I like, but it is a little dark. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Nouveau palette, which I just used recently for the first time, which is crazy. And the Milani Supercharged Lip Mask for $9.99, which I do like, but it's a nice lip mask. Comparable to Laneige, I'd say, but nothing necessarily to write home about. And that, I used my $125 rewards, so my total was $105. That is very nice. Next, we have a huge break because this is when I got really good with my spending. So on November 26th was the next time I placed an order. It was on sale, so I got 2 of the Soap & Glory All the Right Smooths in Shower Moisturizer. I got another of my Jack Black Intense Therapy Lip Balm in Shea and Vitamin E, SPF 25. I got the Milani Fruit Fetish Lip Oil, which I don't know, I don't love, in Raspberry Peach, and it's very light in the color as well. That was on sale for $7.69. I got the Way Leave-In Conditioner, a refill for that because I love this, my favorite leave-in conditioner, for $28. It's very light. And I got the OGX Coconut Miracle Oil Penetrating Oil for $9.80, which is good as another pre-washing treatment. I used a $10 off coupon, so my total was $61.08. Next, just a few days later, on November 28th, I placed an order for the Tarte Maracuja Vegan Juicy Lip Balm in Rose, which is what I'm wearing today, actually, for $14.70 on sale. I got a free Bumble & Bumble Glow Thermal Protection Mist with $35 Bumble & Bumble purchase. I got the Estee Lauder Little Black Primer for $27, which I'm wearing today as a top coat. I got the Bumble & Bumble All About Repair Kit on sale for $41.30. I got another Fresh Sugar Lip Treatment Original in 18 on sale. I got the Pureology Limited Edition Color Fanatic Multitasking Leave-In Spray for $19.20, which I am wearing in my hair today. I got another Cosrx Hydrium Watery Toner for $17.60, also on sale. I got the LA Girl Pro Matte Mixing Pigment in blue and white. Those are great to make it more cool toned and lighter. I could have even used it today, the lighter one. I had another white one, but that one from a different brand I've had it for a long time, so it's getting old. Got the LA Girl Tinted Foundation in Ivory for $6.74. Also on all three of those were $6.74. And then I got the Olivia Garden Aurora Styler Smooth and Shine brush for $13.96, which is the new brush I said I've been using. I used a $10 off coupon for a total of $172.10. Next, this is where you can tell the holidays my spending picks up. December 1st, I got a free Benefit Cosmetics 24-hour brow setter clear eyebrow gel, which I don't know, I wasn't super impressed by that. I got the Benefit Cosmetics another free in 3 warm light brown brow pencil with $30 purchase. I got the Tarte Shape Tape Full Coverage Concealer for $20 on sale, which is great because I need a new one in 20B Light. I got the MAC Lip Pencil in Night Moth from Wednesday, if anyone's been watching that show on Netflix. I loved it. I had to get that, which apparently is what she wears. And then I got another one of my Benefit Cosmetics Total Moisture facial creams. Ooh, for $42, which it's expensive, but I just love that stuff. I love the scent mostly. It's just nice packaging. I used a $10 off coupon again, which is what I seem to do every time, which is great, for $77.56. Next, on December 16th, I placed an order for the Benefit Cosmetics Wonderful World Silky Soft Powder Blush Mini in Terra for $17. The Persona Dreamstick Cream Blush and Jam, which I'm wearing today, for $26. And then the Redken Acidic Bonding Strength and Repair Kit, which is nice, for $62. I've used that once. I had a $20 coupon, right? So total was $90.31. Next, just a few days later, on December 18th, I placed an order. Let's see as it's pulling up here. I got the CoverGirl Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Balm in Bliss You Berry. It was buy two, get one free. I got the DP Hue Apple Cider Vinegar Hair Rinse for $37 because my hair was getting a little itchy, my scalp. I haven't used that yet because I think I'm in the clear now, but I'll be interested to try that. Got the Milani Conceal and Perfect Facelift Collection Liquid Contour and Honey. I'm excited to try that. The L'Oreal True Match Lumi Glotion Natural Glow Enhancer and Fair. I'm also excited to try that. The L'Oreal True Match Nude Hyaluronic Tinted Serum, which I've heard great things about, in 0.5 to 2 very light. And then the other two CoverGirl Clean Fresh Tinted Lip Balms in Made for Peach and Cherish You, which Emily Noah loves. You had a coupon for $19.59. It must have been a percentage off. And so that was $83.26. Oh, I was really bad in December. Next, on December 20th, I had so many coupons though. I got the Clinique Beyond Perfecting Foundation and Concealer in CN02 Breeze, which is what I'm wearing today, for free. It was my diamond, for reaching diamond again. They had some great rewards on there, so for get with the program here. I got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Liquid Foundation Rose Ivory, which I was really impressed with. It wore all day one day when I wore it. I got the Too Faced Pillow Balm Pop Rich and Creamy Lip Balm Trio for $34. The Namat Vanilla Musk Fragrance Oil Roll-On, which is really nice, for $20.99. The Anastasia Beverly Hills Rose Metals Palette, which I have right here, for $55. I wore 2 days ago on my birthday. I got a 3-piece gift with $50 Anastasia purchase, which is nice, and the Bubble Bubble Hairdresser's Invisible Oil for $43, which I'm wearing my hair today, which is also a YouTube recommendation. I used my $125, so my total was $37.17, which is fabulous. I love those. Just a few days later, I have 2 more. On December 22nd, let's see here, I got the e.l.f. Cosmetics Complexion Duo Brush, which I have here. I have not tried yet. I forget what Emily Noah likes this for. I got the Persona 24-Hour Waterproof Eyeliner in Black, which was another YouTube recommendation. The Maybelline Lifter Gloss with Hyaluronic Acid and Pearl, and then it was buy two, get one free, so I got the one in Moon as well. And then I also got the Superstay Vinyl Ink Liquid Lip Color in Koi for $12.99. I used a $10 off coupon for $37.17, which is great. And then finally, on December 23rd, I got which I'm still waiting for this order to come. It's coming today. But the Winky Lux Sorbet Balm in 18, an Emily Noel recommendation, as well as this, the e.l.f. Cosmetics Fragrance-Free Holy Hydration Face Cream. I've got the Pacifica Silver Moon Spray Perfume, which is another YouTube recommendation. The Revlon Super Luscious Lipstick in Toast of New York, which is an Emily Noel recommendation, as well as the Milani Color Fetish Matte, the Nudes Collection in Passion, the lipstick for $9.99. And then the ColourPop Hocus Pocus 2 All Hallows Eve Pressed Powder Palette was on sale, half off for $12. I also had a $17 coupon. Must have been another 20% off or something. So the total was $72.23. So that is a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 orders, 16 for me, so not the best. Did better at Sephora than Ulta, but probably spent less at Ulta just with all the rewards, all the coupons. I mean, it's fabulous. I really love shopping at Ulta just for that fact, though I like the Sephora site a little better. But anyway, what did you all purchase at Ulta? What are you loving? I love doing these videos as well to remind me what I need to use and what I have been using and loving. So anyway, I hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, bye everyone.